When I got my Montreal, ever since I've had it, it has a drain on the battery um, when it's parked, and so I thought I'd dig into the wiring a little bit. One of the weird things, and it all seems to be normal, but one of the weird things about this car is that a lot of things are powered even when the key is off. I've got the key out of it, and later is on, always. Just tested it. No big surprises there. That's pretty normal. But the windows are both powered all the time. This is my instrument lighting because the switch went bad. And the wipers are powered all the time, which just seems odd. Horn, I don't think that's too unusual. The turn signals is definitely unusual that they're powered all the time, but that's done so they don't need a separate flasher to have the hazards work, even when the key is off. Just thought I'd just document this. It's just kind of strange to me that all that stuff is on all the time. I don't know what's causing my drain. That's a whole separate issue, and we'll track that down as time goes on.